Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2. I was a little confused. The person wanted a spiral. I thought they wanted a rounded bottle, and they just want a spiral. I'm thinking like this. So I've drawn a line that's pretty cool spiral, I think, and I'm going to take this Barbwire that he drew, and I'm actually going to make another part of this video because I think if we separate the barbs, we can get a better, you can kind of see the barbs are kind of, it doesn't look bad. It would work, but I think the other way might work better. So I'm going to go to the artistic media tool, and I'm going to get the brush tool, and I'm going to save this, and I'm going to call it Barbwire or anything you want. And then while that's selected, I'm going to hit my line. You can see that nothing happened, but if we make it smaller or larger, it will conform to that shape. So that is pretty cool. That I'm thinking would work. This one was more symmetrical. This one is more like wire being bent. The good thing is that with this, it's still on well, maybe it's not on a path, but let's take this one. It's still on the path, so you could alter your path and do some more things with it. You probably wouldn't want that, like that cross right there at the deal. But if we, I think the next way I'm going to do it might even be better. I mean, that might be very well sufficient. Anyway, so stay tuned for part 3, and hopefully this helped. Thank you for watching.